a soundscape, and I am a person that I prefer an experiential, a contemplative experiential. I want you to have the experience of creativity yourselves and of art yourselves rather than watching me perform something. So I'm going to give some simple instructions, and this is not a stressful thing for you guys at all. It's a contemplative exercise. If you forget things, I meant it to be simple instructions, but I will have a couple little posters in the room that have prompts on them. Don't worry about anything goes, including if you need to step out of the room. It's a small room, there's a lot of people. If you want to have creative license with things, these are just a guideline. So it's really about that, but I'm going to give you a guide. There are 2 tables holding bowls of seawater, and the stones in the seawater are from this land. And so the idea here is that a major theme in my work throughout my entire time with Goddard was inhabitation. And I'm going to read a little short piece on the motive behind my work in a minute here, but one of these major themes was how to actually drop into your own experience and slow down the rush to be somewhere else, or oh, this isn't good enough yet. So the idea is part of inhabitation is being aware of the natural elements around you, which really helps to acquaint you with sound. Is so essentially physical that it is an anchor for a soul to its material home. In my songcraft, I seek connection to the underground stream that courses beneath or behind the rushing of traffic, of hungers, of discursive thinking, not separate from these things, but encompassing them. This is a way to pray, to explore emotion, to reveal inner dialogues, to articulate the mythology embedded in my own skin. Very long and hot. I have cut my tethers. I am drifting farther and farther away from what I once knew. As a child, I am disappointed to discover the burdensome compulsion of breathing. I try to stop, hoping to liberate myself from it, but am frustrated by an irrepressible impulse, after barely more than a minute, to continue. I am dismayed by my stupidly short and jarring overland sprints, and find much to my chagrin, the fastest and most majestic-looking creatures on planet Earth can only sustain their run for a few minutes at a stretch before exhaustion. The sound encounters and then returns. Reverberations build a cathedral around me. I feel outward through sound. I connect replies like points of light.